Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add Wi-Fi shortcut on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have a Wi-Fi shortcut problem, which means if your Wi-Fi is not showing in your control center, and if you want to add it as a shortcut on your control center, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to internet connection. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and you have to simply go to general, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of your on your iPhone iOS. So if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Wi-Fi, and after you have to update your iPhone. And here what you have to do, you have to simply open the shortcuts from here. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on that plus button here, and you have to simply look for Wi-Fi, and after that you have to simply click on set Wi-Fi. So here you have to can select Wi-Fi on or Wi-Fi off. Here we are going to set Wi-Fi on, so you have to simply click on done. Now you have to simply click on search actions. So you can simply click on Wi-Fi, set Wi-Fi, and you can simply add to pin. And after that you can also change the color and all the details from here. And after adding the Wi-Fi shortcut, so here you can simply change the settings, whether you want to change or anything like that. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to control center, and you have to simply press and hold, and you have to simply click on add a control, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of shortcuts from here. So here you have to simply click on shortcut, and you will find the shortcut actions from here. So if you have to find this set Wi-Fi, so you can simply find set Wi-Fi as your shortcut, and after that you can simply set it as your shortcut if you do not find the Wi-Fi on your control center. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.